If you want to talk to Gemini on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you will have to open a Gemini application. If you don't have that app on your phone, just make sure that you have downloaded from the Google Play Store. So go to the search, input Gemini phrase, and make sure that you have the latest version or that you have this application. Now we can open it and we've got three options. We can talk to the Gemini by clicking on this microphone icon. And now that's basically the voice to text function. Now we can just click here and go for the search. But there's also another option. When you click on this icon over here, you will turn on live Gemini. So we can ask some questions like, what is the weather tomorrow?
Okay, I'm ready.
And now, as you can hear, we can just chat with the voice Gemini assistant, but also we can use a voice match. So we have to click on the right upper corner in your Google account, scroll to the settings. Next, you have to go for Hey Google and the voice match. You have to turn it on, input your voice model, and now when you say Hey Google, it will pop up at the bottom of the screen. And that's basically it. If you have some other questions about this one, let me know in the comments. Goodbye.